In this video, I will demonstrate how I treat the people who have tight neck. He complains when he bends neck this way, his left. He has tension around side of neck. Let's compare to the right side. This one is more flexible. Going to left is tighter. I checked his body earlier. He has restriction around anterior side of the neck. I think this is the scalene muscle. You see that this vein, this is called external jugular vein. Scalene anterior part is located anterior to this vein. So I'm going to release anterior part of scalene muscle. Good. Now scalene is released, and I think the nerve running here is also tight. This nerve is called brachial plexus. It runs parallel to external jugular vein. Good. Let's check movement. Going to left. Very easy. Let's compare to the right side. Now this is also easy going. Why does it happen? I just worked on the right side. How come his right side when gets better? Because this all nerve or myofascia is connected. Right to left, left to right. So I only worked on the right side, but this can also affect on the other side. So this is it. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.